Yeah, people hate it, man. They love to hate it.
Boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it. Quitting was never an option.
It's like blasphemy to them because, you know, there's not a 6-speed transmission. You know, I have a stock S2000 that I drive every day and I love it, right? I love shifting the gears, it's awesome. But I wanted to challenge myself and I wanted to do something that is going to better me as a person, a skill set that I need to learn. And the skill set is to electrify something, right? And I'm Ryan Basseri from Rywire. I am at the Pit and Paddock booth and I am showing my EV S2000. I love the S2000. I love what Honda did. I had a couple cars, so I said, let's electrify this one so I can learn how the system works, all the ins and outs of an EV car. And to be honest, I learned a ton. It is a Tesla drive unit equipped vehicle. We are using batteries from a Chevrolet Volt Generation 2. What we pretty much did was try to make, you know, it look like an electric car as well as perform like an electric car. The goal of the car was kind of to somebody, you know, from afar would look at it and go, I wonder if that's electric. And then when they see under the hood or hear it drive by, that sure enough it is electric. So we did the wheels kind of custom. Did something a bit out of the norm, and we wanted it to look electric, but we also didn't want to cover up our Stop Tech brake company that we're working with, right? So we decided to window the wheels, modernize the face a lot, you know, kept the CR bumper look, but also kind of showed the electrification style grille. Batteries are in the front. We have the Sparco seats and your typical S2000 kind of creature comforts. So everything is 400 volts on the car. We have 400 volt air conditioning system. We have 400 volt battery heaters, as well as a 400 volt cabin heater. The whole car was really redesigned, rewired, and rethought of. We modernized it, but I wanted to keep like the S2000 original creature comforts and all the, like, you know, Honda heritage racing history. I didn't want it to like drastically change. The biggest takeaway I'd say for this car is really focusing on the battery boxes and the cooling, heating, and the efficiency of the electrical and whatnot in each battery box. The S2000 is it's a very small car, right? So trying to cram all these big batteries into every little nook and cranny was a huge challenge. And next time that I do something like this, I will focus more heavily on battery fitment and having the batteries be like the most important part of the electrification process. Yeah, in person, everybody seems to love it. It's great. On my Instagram, maybe not as much. I want to just drive the car often, and I want to take it to like cars and coffee kind of events. Maybe we'll do some cool stuff with like Hoonigan or something like that. I don't know, the sky's the limit, so if anybody reaches out and they want to do something special. But as far as like major changes, probably no major changes. I think that it's going to take a while before people really like embrace the EV or embrace the EV in a car that was originally not an EV, you know? The electrification of the cars. I think it's cool, but I'm not ready to just drop everything yet and like go down a certain path. Like, I'm interested in just building cars and building stuff for whatever the application is. It's really, really exciting. It's exciting time where people are starting to do this. And I mean, whether you guys like it or not, as far as the way that the tuner scene is going, I just want to be on the cutting edge of everything. So that's the most important thing for me.